Hey guys, it's Gary Wong from GaryWongRealty.com. Today I'm here with Jordan Thomson, one of my recommended mortgage brokers. I'm having drinks with her, and then I thought what a good time to talk about an article that I wrote like a little while ago. It was about like my realtor's top 10 pet peeves, and then we're gonna do only 5 of them today. And then I thought like why like these I have number 10 to number 6, and then these 5 items are really similar to what mortgage brokers think about too.
Absolutely.
So let's start off. Oh, actually, I'll put more information about Jordan Thomson below. You can find her at jordanthompson.ca. Okay, so top 10 realtor and mortgage broker pet peeves. Number 10, talking to people who think they know the market based on what Globe and Mail and Vancouver Sun or the Global News says. So for me, like I often talk to clients and they think like they know the market based on what they read in a particular article that some editor wrote. The editor basically did some basic research and put up something very attractive, maybe copyrighted it on and made it sound very appealing. You know, trying to stir up media attention and all that stuff. And then the clients come to me and say, oh, is this true? Is this accurate? And I say, yeah, partially, but it's not so, it's subjective. So I want to hear your perspective on that. Like, do clients come to you with, oh, I saw this in the news and, you know?
Absolutely. One of the best examples right now is the competition between lenders in terms of their rates. BMO has recently come out with a big ad advertising the 1.99% rate for a 9-month period over the 4-year term of the mortgage. Now, in print, that looks great because, of course, what do? Nice big font. People say, wow, it's 1.99%. That's fabulous. I need that mortgage. Yeah. Well, the truth of the matter is that it's only 1.99% for the first 9 months, but the APR, the actual price of the mortgage over the 4-year term, is 2.84%, which is definitely not the best rate that you can get. And saying that too, rate is such a small factor in what you want in your mortgage. You really need to look at all the products and features of that mortgage. Another thing is you always hear that you know, prices are going up, and we should take a variable now, we should take a fixed rate now. Really, variable and fixed, it's very dependent upon you and you know, the client on their risk level, where they want to be in 5-10 years. So it's really important to talk to the mortgage broker about that before setting a firm decision. You really need to get the facts.
Yeah, because sometimes like the news is really misleading, right? They're just trying to get eyeballs, right?
Oh, absolutely. Especially the advertising. That's because it is so competitive right now with lenders and banks. They're coming out with the best that they can put out to get new clientele.
Great, yeah, like so that's number 10. Number 9 is people ask for kickbacks. So in real estate, what is not happening more and more is customers come to realtors and they ask for a discount. They ask for, you know, you're going to get paid $10,000 or $5,000. We want a cut of that. We want a cut of that, and that's one of my pet peeves. Does that happen often in mortgages?
Well, in a couple of circumstances, a client can say, is that the discounted rate? Okay. The rate is already discounted. Yeah. The posted rate, for example, right now is 4.74%. Yeah. When we, either the bank or a broker, when we're offering 2.69, that's already a heavily discounted rate. Yeah. Now, as brokers, we can buy down the rate.
Oh, okay.
We can buy down the rate, but that comes out of our commission. And quite frankly, it's frowned upon. So sometimes we're working for free to be able to continue to service that client against a bank. In terms of kickbacks to our clients, in terms of finance, like a financial gain, absolutely not. And in terms of my professional network, like for example, if Gary refers me to a client, he might want something in return. So we were speaking earlier, and I said, okay, so Gary wants a Bose sound system. Well, maybe.
A car. I want a car.
Okay, so by law, as a mortgage broker, a licensed mortgage broker, we have to tell that to our client. We have to release
Full
that
disclosure,
full
right?
disclosure
Right.
to our client
Same with real estate,
and
yeah.
the government. So it's highly, highly frowned upon in our industry to provide kickbacks at all.
Yeah, a lot of under the table stuff. That's obviously one of our pet peeves, right? Okay, number 8, people who don't think we're professionals. They think we just go to school for like a couple weeks and then study the closed note version of real estate trading services, and then they look down upon us like, oh, you don't have a bachelor's degree in real estate, or you don't have a master's degree. So that's different. Like for me, I think real estate it's a long training process. Not only you have to go to school, but you have to lots of hands-on training, lots of post-licensing training, and I think that's the same thing in mortgages, right?
Yeah, well, first of all, I want to say a mortgage broker is licensed, and we are a part of associations. For example, I'm a member of CAMP, which is the Canadian Association of Accredited Mortgage Professionals, as well as MBABC, the Mortgage Brokers Association of BC. And they have very, very rigid guidelines. We have ongoing education constantly. The mortgage industry changes and evolves so quickly, we need to be on top of it.
Oh, for sure. Legal update every year and all that, right?
Yes. So every 2 years we need to renew our license by doing more education, mandatory, and then different mortgage industry related stuff. And something to note, this is important to me and to all brokers out there. A mortgage broker with a brokerage is licensed, whereas a mortgage specialist who works for a bank is not.
They just have to do like a Canadian securities course, and then
they tend to
like
work
that.
up through the bank. So they are not a licensed professional, whereas the mortgage industry is working incredibly hard to make the licensing more difficult, so that we are increasing our professional credibility within.
We're basically regulated by the organization, the professional.
Absolutely, very, very tightly as well.
Just like CAs and CJAs, they're regulated, and we have to, accountants have to take regular courses, same as realtors and mortgage brokers. So number 7, number 7 pet peeve: people who don't trust or listen to their realtor/mortgage broker. I often encounter that. I give them advice. They end up doing the opposite, and then they wonder why they're in a hole for themselves. They wonder why they dug a hole for themselves, right? It's unfortunate. Like, do you have a lot of those cases in mortgages?
Well, something did just spring to mind. A lot of people think that they should be able to get more money than I'm telling them. And it's a mathematical formula, quite frankly. And I can certainly help in terms of dealing with the lenders, but sometimes the client, it's a big no-no, will go and make an offer without actually knowing what they have qualified for. And that can get them into really hot water when it's an accepted offer, oh no, the financing has not come through. So we're very specific in that we will tell you, you must hear from us before you make an offer, before you remove subjects, that's where when they don't listen to me and they just go ahead because they love that place so much. That's when they don't listen.
I see that. Like, I have clients who go, I ask them, are you pre-approved? They're like, yeah, don't worry about the finance. I'm like, okay. So we go see homes, they write an offer, and then later they tell me, oh, do you have any recommended mortgage brokers? And I'm like, what? you haven't been a pre-approved, they're like, oh, I thought it'd be easy. And
First comes the money,
Yes.
then comes the home.
That's right.
I think.
Yeah. Okay, so number 6, people who choose the wrong realtor or mortgage broker. You know, it's pretty sad to see like a lot of disappointed clients, and a lot of realtors and mortgage brokers are all out chasing clients, and a lot of them really desperate for business. And for me, I just tell people one tip of advice: just do your due diligence and interview different realtors. What about you? What do you think about that?
I think what you want in a mortgage broker is somebody who's going to be by your side throughout the mortgage process and the life of the mortgage. So we become part of your overall financial outlook. So you really want to obviously feel confidence in your mortgage broker. They come from a very trusted mortgage brokerage, and somebody who you get along with and you can envision staying in touch with you. And like, for example, right now is a wonderful time to renew your mortgage or refinance your mortgage because the rates are historically low. So there are certainly mortgage brokers that are in and out. They're a one-shot deal.
Yeah.
And I'm not a one-shot deal.
I know you're not. Yeah.
You stay with them. And so I would say, Gary, I've just done the math. You know it's better to pay your penalty out and we'll refinance you for 2 years. I'm going to save you $5,000 worth of interest. But that's because I still have your back 3 years into your mortgage term.
Exactly.
So you really want somebody that you think that can commit with you for the long term and really has your financial interests in mind.
Yeah, that's why I really appreciate Jordan. She's similar to me. We're all about building relationships, long-term relationships with our clients.
Making me blush, Gary.
She really cares about our clients, and it's all about serving our clients and really establishing that long-term relationship. So that's it for part 1 of Top 10 Realtor/Mortgage Pet Peeves. Until next time, this is Gary Wong from Gary Wong Realty. We have Jordan Thomson from Citywide Mortgages. JordanThompson.ca. There's more information below.
Thank you.
Subscribe below, comment below. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day.
Thank you. Have a great day.